Hi guys, good afternoon. Another day, another success story. Today we receive a work permit of Mr. Kenneth Levigo. Levigo tama? Levigo, yes. So, sir, can you share your experience in Trinity? Magtagalog ka na lang.
Sige po. First of all, nagpapasalamat po kay Miss Rachel. Actually, nakita ko siya on TikTok. Then, nag-try lang naman po akong inquire. Then, nag-start po yung inquiry. Then, nag-book ng appointment. Then, ang bilis na ng process actually. Then, like, 5 minutes to 10 minutes lang kami nag-usap. Then, very understandable siya mag-explain. Short, sa sobrang dali po ng sa sobrang ganda po ng nila, legit po, wag po kayong matakot actually. Then, by the October o before October 20, fully paid ako. Then, December, na-receive ko na po yung permit, which is ito po. Salamat po sa Trinity kay Ma'am Rachel po. Thank you so much.
Thank you.